Hi everybody, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to come on real quick to share my first video of Saturday Morning Makes hosted by Jill Norwood. Jill has hosted this since March, April, I want to say. So she's been doing this for a while and only now I have had something to share. I've done a post on Instagram for Saturday Morning Makes, but I haven't been consistent, and I just don't have time sometimes on Saturday. But I wanted to come on because I did have time yesterday. I'm filming this on Friday. Sorry, Joe. um, but but I'm posting it today. I mean, not today, but tomorrow, Saturday. So I just purchased this skate die. I have the Tim Holtz die, and I think I might have another one from Allie, I think. Um, but this just came in the day before yesterday, and I wanted to try it out and make some quick tags. Let me show you. So I used this die from Allie. I think I used this for my pumpkin shortbread, what do you call it? Crafty Dare last Friday. And since it was the tag nearest me, I thought I'm going to use it. So I created this tag. It's so sparkly. I don't know where I got this paper, this glitter paper, but it is very sparkly. Oh my gosh. So I layered two of the tags together. I paper pieced, or yeah, paper pieced the skates with some metallic paper for the blades and some of the glitter paper for parts of the skates. And yeah, and I added this word from, I don't think you can see it because it's white. It says winter. Yeah, you can't see it. Maybe right there. And then I used the a bling for the eye. I just love how it turned out. And I used an eyelet from We Are Memory Keepers and some silvery, sparkly ribbon. So I really love how that turned out. And then my second tag, I used some plaid paper that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I'll just show it real quick. It's called Plaid Tidings, and I got it when it was 40% off, I think. Should have waited until it was 50, but anyway. I did the same thing with this tag, layered black and the plaid, and I think I backed it with some 140 cardstock because the paper is not all that sturdy. So paper piece the skates and added this word from Tim Holtz. It says joy, and I added a pearl because I thought the pearl went really well with the plaid. I added paper piece the bow that coordinates with the plaid. And I just think it was really cute. And then this one I used twine versus a ribbon because I think plaid and twine goes together. So this is my Saturday morning makes. I hope you guys like it. I can't wait to watch everybody's videos. I've been enjoying all the gingerbread all the gingerbread inspiration. I want I I need to get all my dies out and start playing. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great weekend. Happy Halloween, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.